Boy, we pull up to this shit. Shit. So, yeah, I was supposed to be picking up this E36, but basically marketplace, man, you know, got some shady ass people. This dude just drove probably about 2.5 hours. Yeah, I think about 2.5 hours. Get down there and the guy just lying. Doesn't have the title, says the title don't even belong to him, but then the car belongs to him, but he don't want to sell the car because his sister's not in town. But at the same time, he can't call his sister to see if he can sell the car because she don't, you know, he just can't call her because, you know, can't call her because, you know, she don't have a phone or something. I don't know. Just not getting back to the shop. So we get back. Now I'm about to show you some I'm about to show you some crazy shit. Steve's wearing shorts. I'm just like. Boy, we pull up to this shit. Shit. Careful now. Ain't no car on this shit. Now that's like, oh, they're leaving now.
Look like he hit somebody.
Oh, he gonna kill somebody. Yeah.
I think we parked the trailer on this one, closer to his side. But we're gonna take some. I parked something like this. What? That shit might get torn.
Alright. That shit rusty now. Should've bite your ass. There's another guy in the car. I can't see shit. I can't see. Hold up. Yeah, they pocket. Look who pulled up, y'all. Them boys still out here. That's
Follow me from Joe.
That's too crazy.
Dang! Yeah.
Brightness, everybody, brightness.
Blinded. You were born. I was born in the dark.
Don't shine the light.
By the time
Like cutting on all the lights. Oh my God. You doing that shit? Hey man, bring your power up here, cuz. Bring it up here, cuz. Bring it up here, cuz.
Elms are cute. Dot.
Oh, turn around. You turn around down there. The little LED lights in the wheel look crazy.
On the way here, I asked somebody, like, some people were like,
That shit probably look crazy on the road.
what the hell? I'm doing the vet, he got close to my door. Can't believe it, too.
Yeah, see that time.
Nah, he like, should I tell him his shit about to fall apart?
So we're literally waiting for these police to leave so we can get rowdy. Trying to see somebody send it out there, bitch. Oh.
I don't know about you. Gotta ask your mom, no security. I took it to catch this at the Caesars. I'm trying to spread it like a leash. My African bitch, man, she made a whole reach. I'm fucking out right now. I feel my feet. It's Halloween, I'm in Christian.
Tell the police to leave.
Something like that.
I'm pretty sure he hit that moped like you said, and
DUI. Hey, Jack, a little too much Calusa.
That boy hiding.
Hey, the race cars are here. He saw me pull up and he was looking at me like,
They gone?
drivers.
I'm not crazy, you crazy.
I just tried to scare him. It's our neighbors. Never talking about it. He came and said, hey, bro, there's a problem. He came and said that? Yeah, he just said, like, hey, bro. Be careful.
He was like, be careful, there's a cop right there.
Hey, man. That thing was hard.
He got time today.
He got done.
Guess that's all, folks.
Bitch ass cop man wouldn't leave because he knew it was about to go down. Saw them drift whips out. JDM mooks.
Well,
Knew he could get him a little check tonight. Your boys.
somebody was about to get baptized.
Not tonight. Sorry.
Shit! I wanted to do some drifting. I'll put my drink.
I know, right?
Oh, they honking at him. Hey, get in that lane. Get over. Too close, nigga. Oh, they running. Look at this thing. He coming back. Hey, this road is trash.
Downtown.
This road is absolute trash.
I know it was like a physical fire, but when it popped, that shit sounded good.
Hey,